Hello and welcome. This is Cara Brandon, and if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I'm posting a new video. That would be awesome. Okay, so I have another kit. You probably are tired of rainbows, but I can't get enough apparently. I just keep going. So this idea was from, hold on, I wrote her name so I wouldn't forget. Tattered Treasures by Patty. She commented in the video where I talked about these fabric tags that I did for the Stash Buster, which I was a month behind and it should have been about Brad's. But anyway, she posted, hey, it would be really cool if you scanned those. And I thought, oh, well, I did that with my index cards, these guys, and I made the kit out of that. So yeah, that'd be fun. How about I scan these tags? So that's what I did. And I have something else that since I can't use Tim Holtz like this, I'll show you what I did. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. Okay, so it has 8 pages. 6 of them are the tags, each one for each color of the rainbow. And then there's also a larger coin envelope. In last week's freebie Friday, I made these coin envelopes, which are fun, and you can, like I did, make 3 on a page or whatever. But I also thought it'd be cool to have a bigger one that the tag could then fit in, or whatever you want. And I can't get enough of the ephemera, so I keep adding ephemera that matches the color of the tag and all that good stuff. So here's the red page, and there's lots of little goodies, buttons. I thought the buttons went well with the idea of the fabric. And then I made a brush from the fabric. So this, I actually kind of created it, and I don't know if you can tell, but it is the same as this, but monochromatic. Instead of, this is monochromatic, but it doesn't have the green and the white, etc. All right, so there's the red page. Here's the orange page. I love this little guy. Again, I tried making the buttons so that you could, let me get my punch. So you could punch using a 1-inch punch. So that should be easy because I know it's a lot of fussy cutting. I'm not sure what size that is, but that's a little bit bigger than 1 inch. So there's orange, and here's yellow, a little bit softer with the yellow. Again, the buttons punch out with 1 inch. And then I did tabs. I love this ruler, I thought that was fun. And here's green. I think green's my favorite. I think this turned out so well with the green. So there's green. And here's blue. I love this coffee one. And a little button card. And then jeans, because, blue jeans. And then purple. Here's purple. And this is what I'm so excited about. All right, so I couldn't use Tim Holtz people, but the Graphics Fairy came out with their version of the people. So I colorized them, and so you see one for each color of the rainbow, kind of like what I did with this one that I then did the embossing glaze over. So instead of having to get out your embossing glaze and do all that, I did the work for you. It would be simple as taking glossy accents if you wanted and going over it to make it sparkle. Or I was trying to find my Wink of Stella, if there's still stuff in my Wink of Stella. And you could go over it. This is silver, but you could go over your picture with some Wink of Stella. Gosh, I'm surprised there's still stuff in this. And then when it dries, it would give that same shiny idea. So you don't even have to get out your embossing stuff. And then the last page of the kit are the tags, but in a smaller version. So there we go. All right, just like I did before, I wanted to make a project using the new kit. I will have the link to my Etsy shop below. And I need to cut out the people. I haven't done that yet. But I'll be back and we can make something with the new kit. All right, here are my pieces. It does take a little bit of time to fussy cut the people out, but I think it's worth it. And I didn't cut out this little white in his arm, the nook of his arm, crook of his arm, but I'm okay with that. If you are not, you could take you know, a blade and a cutting mat and cut it out. And here is the coin envelope. I love it. This one, I don't think I planned it, but I like how it lines up. It's pretty fun. Happy little accident. I don't think they are all like that, but pretty cool that this one is. All right, so I'm going to glue this together. And then add some glue on the bottom. And then this tag should slide in, so then this could be a pocket in your journal. Or you could do other things because the front is really fun. So up to you. Lots of possibilities. All right, so here's our tag. And see how it's the same. I just love that. Okay, so here, let's take our dude. You could even maybe chop off his arm if you didn't want a fussy cut. And do I need somewhere looking for my, add a little, or we could just kind of add a little, what is this one, I think? Vintage photo, yeah. Add a little glue. Oh, don't want to lose his pipe. I think I'm going to trim off his arm. There we go. And then oop, maybe a button up there. Oh, come on. Come on, glue. So this, excuse me, I just backed with a piece of scrap paper. Page would be this. That would be fun here too. Yeah, let's do it here. You know what else I'm going to do? Because I'm going to glue this on to my page. I'm going to cut this part off. And then I can turn it around and I can have it face this way so we can see the pattern. Or I could just cut it off and make it a, let's see. Does it look funny like that? Maybe I, maybe I want it like that. Why does that look funny? Because I know in my brain it should be. I think we'll just leave. Ah. Make sure his jacket doesn't get caught. There we go. I'll use one of these. This little middle thing right there. I think I am just a little bit, and I might as well put this down. There we go. Cute. And then I have little bits that I can put in my tin like that. All right. I'm excited about this kit. So I still have all of my other people and my envelopes that I can add, my coin envelopes, and my other little tags. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and go check out the kit. It's listed below. It'll be on sale like I've been doing for a week. So grab it while it's on sale, and hopefully you can add it and use it in your rainbow journal. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.